What's up everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to paint step by step your brake calipers in this Kia Rio. So the first thing we're going to do is take out our wheels and we're going to clean with soap and water our brake caliper and with a wire brush like this one. So I'm going to use this type of paint, a high heat paint, the red one, and a clear coat, a high heat clear coat, and if you have primer, high heat primer, you can use it too. Pásamela. Some more. So now as you can see, I'm just brushing the brake caliper. You can see it was very dirty. So you need to do this also for painting your brake calipers. And as you can see here, the caliper was black and now is gray because it's the original color of the caliper. Right here you can see. So as you can see here, the caliper is all clean. You need to do this in order for the paint to stick very well and stay the color you want for a long time. So now we are going to mask everything that we don't want paint on it. As you can see right here, that I masked the brake pad and these rubbers that are behind the caliper. So as you can see, I put a garbage bag in all the disc because we don't want paint in the disc, and now I'm going to put the garbage bags in here on the wheel wells. So as you can see, I have everything covered, the wheel wells and the brake disc, and I masked the caliper because we don't want paint in all those areas. And now I'm going to spray the paint. As you can see, the first coat it's going to be a light coat, as you can see here, of the red one. If you have primer, you can put the primer first and then put the color and then the clear coat. I'm going to do like 10 minutes each coat of paint. You can see here, this is a light coat first, and then I'm going to put the second coat that is going to be heavier than the first one, as you can see in this part of the video.
No sé, si para que me llamen es que Rubén ciego, ¿será? Ya ven.
So to finish the third coat of red, you are going to fill all the parts that didn't get paint, and then you put the clear coat, and then you will finish all the job. So to finish the work, I'm putting right here the clear coat. I'm going to put 2 coats of clear coat. As you can see here, the caliper is all done. And here you can see how it looks with all the paint and the clear coat and everything. Right here, it's everything finished, and this is how it looks with the wheels. So I hope you like this video. Like, subscribe, and see you on the next video.